Caerphilly's upcoming by-election is set to be historic. It's the final chance to vote a Senedd member in under the current system, and will be a real bellwether for what exactly is going to happen at the full Senedd election next year. 8 candidates are in the running from all the major parties, and all want to make their mark before May, and get a shot in the arm for the campaign in 2026. On Wednesday night, 6 candidates took part in a televised debate on the BBC, with some major talking points coming largely in the form of heated exchanges. The parties know what's at stake, and so do the candidates. Welsh Labour's Richard Tunnicliffe, Plaid Cymru's Lindsay Whittle, Reform UK's Cleo Powell, Steve Akeler of the Welsh Liberal Democrats, Welsh Conservatives Gareth Potter and Gareth Hughes of the Green Party all took part, with Gwilard candidate Anthony Cook and UKIP's Roger Quilliam both running but were not at the debate. Cleo Powell, the Reform UK candidate, was possibly the one to have the biggest impact on the night, both positively and negatively. An exchange between himself and an audience member caught people's attention when she called out Reform's immigration policy, saying she now has to tell her mixed-race sons to not go to certain areas since Reform rose to prominence. Much of the debate took place between butted heads and talking over one another, with Welsh Labour also taking a few hits, given they're the party in power in Wales. Immigration, although not necessarily at stake at the by-election, along with things like the NHS, the ongoing Senedd annual budget, local investment and libraries, were all the major talking points. And there's about a week or so until the big day of the vote, and plenty of the parties will be keeping everything crossed. James Peach Watkins, reporting for Local TV.